Today's kitchen skills video is how to make salad dressing. I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types because a good salad dressing can really make it so much more appealing to eat lots more of our greens. So this one is going to be a herb vinaigrette. I have some dill and some parsley. I'm going to add in a clove of garlic. I'm going to add in a little bit of Dijon mustard, maybe half a teaspoon. And then the trick to any of these vinaigrettes is 1 part vinegar, so I'm using an apple cider vinegar, to 3 parts of oil. So when you're making a salad, I like to use the extra virgin olive oil. So we need to get 3 of these of the extra virgin oil. And it's really important with any salad dressing to season it really, really well. Salt and black pepper, and then blitz it up. And there we have a lovely deep green vinaigrette that you can use for your salads. The second dressing we're going to make is a honey mustard dressing. So we will add in about half a teaspoon of mustard, teaspoon of honey, and I'm using a raw Irish honey. And then we go with the same principle that it's 1/3 of the vinegar. I'm using an apple cider vinegar. 1 part to 3 parts of the extra virgin oil. Then you want to season it really well. Pop the lid on. Give it a shake. And there we have honey mustard dressing made in seconds in a jar. The third salad dressing I'm going to make is a balsamic dressing. So we're going to put in 1 part balsamic vinegar. So I've got 1 of these spoons of the balsamic vinegar, and then 3 of the spoons of the extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to season it well. Pepper and salt. Give it a shake. And there we have a simple balsamic dressing, delicious for salads. Thanks for watching today's skills video on quick and easy salad dressings. We did the green dressing, we did the honey and mustard, and the balsamic vinegar dressing. So please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Why not check out my other recipes, like how to chop peppers or how to cook quinoa, delicious with all of these salads. Thanks for watching. See you soon.